Hello guys, today I show you how to make the second layer on the Rubik's Cube. But before, be sure you watch this video. Now we make the second layer. When you're lucky, you have already a correct edge. But now find an edge, but without yellow. It's green and orange. Let's find green and orange. When orange look to you, then put it on orange like this. And then do this algorithm. And now, just like you made the first layer. And when it's on right, you do this. And now we have the second layer. In the next video, I show you how to make the yellow cross. But now it's the end.